Roblox. Their goal is to protect me from not dying. If I die, we all die. And that's how
Yes,
it's
if
gonna
we all
be.
die, we die. As you can see,
And
he will be
I
running
don't
medic.
kind of want. I
We have him,
kind of don't want to die, to be
sneaky.
honest.
Oh, also, I'd like to point this out. Who holds a gun like?
Me, obviously.
If once you shoot this thing, it's just gonna repel right into your chest.
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's
It's an
go hop into
outsmaller.
this random stranger's truck.
No, over here.
Yep.
We got the
Hey,
boogers.
ah!
I like this truck. This truck looks dustier.
Yeah. Dusty truck. If we die,
Yes,
I like
dusty,
dusty
rusty truck.
if we die,
Dusty.
if we
truck.
die, the video ends. That's what the title is gonna be.
Mhm.
If the baby dies, the video ends.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
it'd just be too gruesome.
Y'all like
Okay.
my
Too
Team
gruesome.
Trees merch?
Why not?
This was like from a year ago. 150. Oops. 150
Wait.
subs to the Team Trees.
How long does it take for us to get kidnapped?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's a good point. We didn't expect that like one or two kids
Oh.
go on like a
Yeah, let's go! We're getting kidnapped!
Oh yeah, it's my favorite game.
I sound way too excited for that.
Yeah, kids, if somebody asks you to go near their van, don't go
Please.
near their van.
Please don't. Just stay away from them. Life lesson. Someone offers you candy, say no. Stay away.
I forgot to say.
Especially if they're trying to lead you to somewhere.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
if
good
like,
point.
If like someone says, if you're going from walking down from school and some woman or guy in a car says, "Oh, you're one of your parents is at the hospital. Come with me. I'll take you there." Don't trust them. Stay
That's
safe.
already a red
Yeah,
flag.
that's
straight
a
away.
red flag
Red
right
flag.
immediately. Please do not trust.
Ooh,
Please.
my apple.
Mine.
Cal, if you
I think
realize
it's
that
really
apples
tough.
there is for everyone, right?
Oh, okay. I thought it was only one person.
Ooh, I'll take that money.
Ooh, my money.
Where is the basement key? The base.
Whose cat is that?
Oh, it's our cat because game. That's our cat. Yeah.
Personally, I've played this once. Oh, breaking news.
I've played this too many times.
Yeah, they played
Well,
this
I'm going to
multiple
sleep.
times.
Oh, guys,
I'm
we're
an
going to sleep
amateur.
in the blue room. Oh, guys, we sleep in the blue room because that's the room with the laptop.
All of them have a laptop.
Oh, okay.
It's just a random. Two of them have it.
There's a cookie
Yes,
in
we
the
know.
bottom.
Well, at least I know.
Okay.
I'm in the pink room, I think.
Oh, they found the basement key.
Dude, open it, please.
Which room do I go to?
There's cookies in here. There's cookies in this room.
Oh, toilet works.
Please.
Oh, I found a Bloxy Cola.
Go, open. Come on.
I have a question. Where do I sleep?
What? Go into the
Go to
blue
blue-
room.
Okay.
That's where
Oh,
you
yeah,
will sleep.
I hope the basement's open. Oh, that's scary. I can become invisible.
Ha, you wish.
You wanna go?
Yeah, come at me, nerd. I have a gun.
Good point. You don't want to mess with him. He has a gun.
Also, I'm 2 times your size in game.
And he's older than you in this game. Actually, no, he's older than you.
I'm older than you in real life.
He has a lot of factors that make him stronger.
No, CX would win in a fight in real life.
Guys, it's live
okay.
in 1 minute 45.
Oh my gosh. Wonder why it's
I
gonna
want
be like-
pizza! Ah!
Why can't you click on the chairs?
Die.
Oh my god.
Die.
You okay, fam?
Fight me, nerd. Fight me. Okay, you think a baseball... Okay, a baseball bat will severely hurt me, but a gunshot will land you on the ground and possibly to bleed out.
I'll answer it.
And depending where I hit you, I could possibly kill you.
Who is it? Oh, it's a pizza guy.
Yeah, pizza guy.
Pizza guy, give us some pizzas. Who's gonna get the biggest? We'll give. We will
Right is
tell
always right.
which
Right
type
is
of-
always right. Right is always
Wait,
right.
it's always right.
Right
Always
was
right.
It's medium.
Look at my slice.
It's medium.
Bird got mini
I got
pizza
big, I
for
got-
mini kid.
I got big. I got big. I got big.
You're trash.
It was middle.
Why'd I get so tiny? This would burn because of how tiny it is.
Fine.
Oh.
They have
You're probably
redesign,
right.
Like the other.
I'd like to
They have
mention how everything is flickering besides this one lamp and this TV. Like, if the power's going out, everything should go out.
Guys, come to the living room. The news.
do.
Oh my god! We must protect the kid.
The child must live.
I
Oh, no, the child's
say
going
we kill all the other human beings.
Don't skip. Don't
Skip.
skip. I want to skip.
Skip.
Come on.
Oh. Well, rips.
Dude, we're literally recording
Yeah.
a video.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm used to skipping it.
Yeah, me too. I'm sorry.
And I have never played this before. Or I did, but I
Sorry.
don't recall anything.
Okay. Good night.
Me is balling up.
Enter awkward silence.
Is the door
Yep.
closed?
Awkward silence.
Who doesn't close their windows? Why are the windows open?
My windows always have something open.
Wait, there's drawers here.
Yeah, you didn't know.
What's in them? I can't get out of the bed.
Nothing.
Help.
Trash.
Plus, you can open them. You can open them in bed.
Z. Muted myself.
Okay, there's a criminal in this room. Okay.
Good night.
We don't have the criminal.
Criminal?
Go back to sleep, son.
Son, go back to sleep. Sleepy sleep time.
Dude, I just see my head flat in the pillow.
I will put down the kid in its sleep.
Uh-huh.
What?
Guys, what happened outside? Why did a car crash?
Because a car crashed.
Apparently everything went to heck besides us dying. Like, we're the one people who didn't die.
Oh my goodness. Boom, that's boarded up, I think. How do I know if
Who's
it's
the best at
boarded
the
up?
security thing? Who's best at the security
It
thing?
should
Or
get a
you-
black tint to it.
Like, what do you mean?
Like, it should get a blackish tint to the window.
Thank you. Thank goodness you did it.
Dude, I'm good at this game.
Does it have
Shush.
to be boarded up?
Are you lagging because of the rain?
Board up the window
think.
so he doesn't lag.
My god.
Guys, someone's outside.
That's
the old man.
Uncle.
It's the-
Yeah. That's Uncle
The old
whatever.
man who,
He doesn't look
it's
like
the old
him.
man who took us in the van.
Guys, downstairs needs to be boarded up. Can I get some help?
Well, what's the best weapon down here?
They all have same stats.
Downstairs needs to
Okay,
be
down-
boarded up. Can
so
I get
far.
some help?
No. Cal, find the code for the thing.
I'm the code type. I just spelled DS.
Oops. Hello?
That's some money, but I didn't
Hi.
spell the code.
Here. Why can't I place the boards? If I can't place the boards, does that mean it's boarded up?
Let's go. I got a
Ooh,
broom
ooh.
to whack people with.
Ooh, guys. Actually, no. I'll continue looking for the code downstairs.
Hey, make a pie now. What
Pie?
things do you guys have? Do you have any apples?
I
I
have
have
3
one
apples.
apple and a
Two
block of
co-
cola.
I have 3 apples, 2 cookies, and a block of cola.
Mooster, come here. If you have 3
I
apples,
know.
put them in the thingy.
Wait, I'm trying to find the code still.
I found an apple.
Found it.
I have 2 apples.
Found the code? That's annoying.
You like my weapon?
Yeah, I have a broom. Help me find the thingy. Ooh, money.
Guys, I'm making a pie.
Don't burn it, don't burn it, don't burn it.
Oh, thank goodness, I almost overcooked
Should I
it.
eat it right now?
That's it.
Should I eat the pie right now?
No. Just
Oh, no.
wait to eat it.
Let's go.
Hey, I got it.
Literally everyone in the squad got one besides me. Let's go.
No.
I mean, I have the gun. It's not like I'm gonna actually
Can
need
you
it.
drop items? Can you drop
Oh, no.
items?
No.
Oh no, they're all outside.
Oh my god. Oh, one guy's on crack. Oh, where's he going? Oh, y'all see that? What?
Bird, you said you had an apple and a Bloxy Cola, right?
I have 2 apples and a Bloxy Cola. They're outside.
Don't use any of those. Don't use any of those.
What they do?
We can make a pie. We can make a pie.
Oh, this wasn't boarded up well.
Go to bed.
Watch the baby protect y'all and y'all die.
Are you sure about that? I will
you
whack
see
them
me?
with this
Do you
broom.
see me?
Do you see me? I literally have a gun.
Oh,
I
yeah,
am-
good
That was
point.
a.
I am inevitable but invisible. What time is it?
I don't even need to be awake to kill them. I can literally just shoot them in my sleep.
Hey, doggy boy, what time is it for you? Oh no, what is going on?
It's 12:06.
It's
Go back to bed now. Go back to bed. That's Mooster's bed. Get out of his bed.
Get out of my bed!
I gotta hold my pie.
Oh, someone died. Let's go.
Defy the
It
laws
was the
of
person in
physics.
the other room. They didn't get a weapon. They're
We have
gone.
one more person to off.
I am weaker because
I will smack you with the broom next time you disobey me. Fight me, nerd.
No. I'm gonna go to
Follow
the,
me. Come on.
Can we go outside? I wanna buy stuff. I have
Yeah, that's why I wanted to go there.
open door.
I'm going upstairs to get the upstairs pizza.
Do you want to make another pie?
Yeah, that's why. Open the door.
Okay. I can't yet.
I got another pizza. So I have 3
Oh, wait.
pizzas. Guys, why is this pizza green?
Don't eat that. Don't eat that. If you eat that, you will die.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
And by that, I mean you will lose, and
Guys,
Oh, okay.
why does a criminal sleep in your basement?
good question. And weren't we just
Yeah.
down there? How did he get in there?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess we did sleep. CX!
Yeah?
Hurry up, hide.
Ah.
CX, get behind here! Or in there, yeah,
I'm
in
going to
there's
hide
fine
like
too.
this. I'm going to hide like this.
Who's that? What happened?
CX, don't die!
Shut up. I have a teddy bear. Should I use that?
I'm going to eat
You can go
pizza.
invisible so he can't see you, but it's only for a short amount of time.
Good fam.
No, come back in! Come back in, you'll die! Come on!
That made me literally so scared.
See, look, you're not invisible anymore.
It's because I turned it off.
Oh, it's just us. Let's go.
Oh, he's dead.
That is honestly kind of scary. Should
Hurry up!
down in the basement.
Oh, I have a third apple.
Oh yeah,
the
if you wanna know where the code was, it was right here.
I literally looked over there. I saw the press.
Where'd it go? It was there last. Okay, whatever. I need to go to the store. I have a.
I think a pitchfork is more deadly.
No, a broom is more deadly.
Guys, I think we're gonna have to hide. I think that's why there's this.
No.
Well, we have to.
Tonight,
What?
tonight we
don't
kill
tell me.
people.
No,
Wait. you can just hide right there.
He probably can reach.
We will defend him. If you get low, we will heal you up the
Do you all
pool.
hear that? Do you all hear that?
Yeah.
Does my
If you come in here, I will.
Does
Quick question: how do they survive more than 3 bullets?
Does my invis
Good
work?
point.
Invis!
Yeah. Die. Move! Stupid. I got this. Stay back.
Oh, okay.
Because you were blocking my shots. Bird. Bird!
I'm just hiding.
I can't
back
click
here.
it. Grab it. I'm stupid. I had my weapon.
Oh. He muted himself.
Oh yeah, he did. Oh no. Oh no. Well, time to clean up the trash. Haha. Funny joke because I have a broom and I wasn't pointing at Mooster. Totally not.
I was the one. Dude, I'm just killing these things. I'm just hiding here.
What do you mean?
I
I
didn't the damage, but like I just find it funny how the cat's down here. Why is this down here?
Come here, sleep.
Not to sleep. Oh.
You might want to go to bed, Mooster.
Oh yeah, I got energy for my invis cloak. I feel like we're gonna get robbed by that big boy right now. Wait, why did I choose the sleeping bag closest to the door?
Good question.
Oh, we're alive. How is the cat still awake?
Cat.
Okay, I'm back.
Can I ride the cat? No, you go through it. I feel like I'm gonna see
Ow.
so many broken windows if I go up. Wait, should we go out? Who's that man down the street?
No, this way. How many Bloxy Colas do you have?
One.
I have one.
I have 3.
You guys can make a glazed apple pie if you use 1 apple and 2 Bloxy Cola.
Okay.
Tripped on ice and poop.
Is that?
Stop tripping on the ice!
That was not me. That was Cal.
Yeah, I know. I was talking to him.
I just slipped on concrete. Where's the Bloxy Cola? I could barely afford it. So 2 Bloxy Cola and an apple.
Calf, look what's in my hand. Best healing item in the game.
I don't have a pen.
We have another one.
Wait a minute. Whose name?
Come on!
Oh, I thought that was her name.
I can breathe again.
Ow. I broke
Wait,
my
did somebody buy
nuts.
the pie? Does anybody buy the pie thing?
We already have one.
Oh, okay.
How we made the last pie.
A glazed apple pie, is that better?
Yes. I think.
I have 2 Bloxy Colas.
I can put 1 in so you have. Put
2
apple.
an apple
No, 1 apple
and a Bloxy
and a
Cola?
Bloxy Cola. I'll do it.
Is that the best?
Cooking is not allowed for kids. I'm not sure, but we had the most resources for it.
I'm probably
Should I
going to
eat
get the
this?
bad ending. And the secret ending.
Dude, we're gonna have so much pie
where
left over,
you
right?
Dude, it says only take one greedily new. There's 3 of us.
Why does Calf have a green pizza?
It's Betsy
BZ took
pizza.
the one from the attic. That's where I got my broom to clean up the trash. The only trash I see here is me.
Out.
It's getting late. Get home before we lock the doors for tonight. Are we gonna barricade this place?
No. We are going to let them break in. He said it.
Wait a minute. Cheat spot? Question mark.
Yes and no. I'm pretty sure you can get up here. Some of No, 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 no. No, no. No, this is not allowed. Holding a gun like this accidentally pulls the trigger. Blah!
Me holds a pitchfork. Where's the hand? Where's the fingers? Am I just holding it with a fist?
I am strong.
This dude doesn't like to talk.
Yeah, I know, right?
Look at my
Trash.
pie. Look at my pie.
I can talk. Me holding green pizza like this, jumping.
See, look, here's the glazed apple pie. This is
This is glazed. This one,
anything glazed makes it better because glazed is better. I like glazed good donuts, and they are very epic.
But I
Yes.
don't think you pour soda on it.
Fun fact of me, Boston cream donuts
Guys, I'm
from
looking at the door and it looks like a suspicious
I forget
vibe. It
words.
looks like he's
Krispy
going
Kreme.
to make
What?
us have to fight.
Open
Oh,
it.
We have to open the door.
No,
Dude, if you don't open the door, you still get the fight.
He's gonna twirl.
But do you want to hear funny? If you don't open the door, you don't get the pizza either.
Oh.
So you want to open the door.
Yeah.
He will have rolling pin if you don't get the.
He always has the wrong pin.
So you're telling me I should just hide?
I'm
Up
going
to you.
press the middle one.
Check
Middle
this
one
out.
is the second biggest. Middle one's second biggest. Middle one is second biggest.
Ow. Sir, leave me alone.
I'm destroying him. Oh, I gotta use it. I use the cloak.
Oh no!
Get up here,
Fine,
CX.
fine, fine. Ah,
Keep the kid out of this.
ah,
But the kid.
Time to get smacked by the broom.
Bada boom da!
Oh, I got up.
Run.
You have a heal. Can I have a quick heal? I healed you.
How do I know my HP?
So close! So close! Yes!
Let me stiff on
Okay, you
you.
don't mess with us.
Should I
Pizza
use
time.
pie?
Pizza time.
Pizza
Is
time.
this the rotten pizza? Oopsie, I ate the veggie
How do I
pizza.
know my? How do I know my HP?
Bottom left.
That's Then I have a lot of HP.
That max. I'm a happy. Okay, guys, time to go bed. How could you go to bed in a situation like this?
Uncle Pete, why is Uncle Pete literally looking at us
I am
at the
speed.
door, at the window?
Godspeed CXUI instead of Godspeed Killua.
You like pie? Calf, go to bed.
I'm trying to.
Wait, since it's only 3 of us,
How
do you
can
all
you
think they're gonna
fail?
attack tonight?
Probably. Don't worry, I can kill them in my sleep. Perfect.
I got my pitchfork. Oh shoot.
Wait, did
Nobody's
they
here.
seriously not break?
They did. I heard a window break.
They didn't break any. Okay, good night.
They broke a window. They broke a window. Stay awake.
It's not. It's in the other rooms. Dumb.
You can't sleep right now.
Yeah, you can.
But we're asleep. Shut up, game.
Yeah.
What? What?
Why do I have the veggie pizza as this? I need to not eat pizza. There we go.
I
This
got
is
my
the good
peaceful.
pizza.
No, Doge, I'll check it out.
Oh, it's fine. See
It's
your.
from the basement.
No. Ah, Scary Larry. I'm sorry for spoiling. But yeah, it's Scary Larry. You can tell by truck.
Jimmy,
Scary
He do be
So
getting
that's
his
not
blocky
Jimmy
cola
Neutron?
though. He do be getting his
Actually,
blocky
I
cola
think
though.
you're close to CX. It is Jimmy Neutron.
What if he
You
went
know,
for
why don't I
Scary
just
Larry?
shoot him?
Good point.
Why does he
Actually,
make
yeah.
loud
It's
footsteps?
not, I'll hold him off.
Die.
The dude is
I'm probably
tinier
going
than
to die.
me.
No, CX, don't go that way. You'll die.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Inevitable.
No, CX.
I got a teddy bear. Dude, I want to hop into the van. I want that
It doesn't
candy.
matter. Just come on.
I want the
You
candy.
gotta, come on.
He don't even notice me. See?
I don't care. Hurry up. If he gets here before you, then you'll die.
Why is
Come
there
on.
a pig?
Huh?
Why is there a pig? Oh, is that a cat?
The pig?
Oh, that's the cat.
Cat where?
Calf, you might want to get
Oh my
up.
god.
He's almost here.
He's already in the sewers.
Oh. Why don't we just jump in?
Been waiting on you. We. I said we.
Scared me. Wait, during the boss fight, can I use my Invis
Hurry! It's about to flood again. Aw, rip. Calf has to go soon.
Not yet, but very soon. So we have to make this boss very fast.
What happens if I touch the sewage water?
Whoa,
You die.
That makes no
No,
sense.
you don't die, but you start drowning.
Don't help. Oh wait, it's the kid. Don't help him. No, CX.
Dude, I have all the HP.
Don't help CX. No, don't help him. Let him die. Aw. For the content then.
It's for the content.
I wish you died though. No, CX.
My body's honestly too tiny to make these jumps. It's hard to make the jumps. One time.
Oh, he just fell again.
What'd you
Come on,
say?
fall in. Fall in. You won't.
Okay,
Fall in.
okay.
Dude.
Okay.
I'm back here. I'm behind the pillar.
Oh no.
Why?
That didn't go well. 50 heal. How did I keep falling?
Oh, this has 3 charges. I didn't realize that.
Should I use
I
my
thought this
teddy
had
bear?
1, so I was saying.
May I use my
I don't know. It's up to you.
Can I get the bad ending?
It's scary, Larry. Give me the tool. Give me the freaking- Why is it wrong?
Oh my
What's
gosh,
so
guys,
scary
we
about
need to-
Scary Larry? Oh. Oh! You like jazz? Where'd he go?
That scared you, seriously?
Yeah,
Hello, my name is Gowie Wowie. And up until now, you've been playing on easy mode. Luckily
like
for you, that's about to
Make
change.
it faster! Make it faster! I'm going to have to go very, very soon. Please.
Time to die.
Bro, you think this is hard?
No.
Dude,
Minions rise. It's time to purge.
I can solo them. Dude, this is so easy.
Yeah, this is so easy.
Dude, this is literally made for kids. What do you expect?
I'm a child in the game. Don't commit suicide. Oh.
You're making me extremely. Hit me, please. Hit me, please.
He's coming for me. I can just potato chip.
Don't let him hit you.
Thank you. I want to see how much this heals. Hit me more.
It heals 50. I think.
This?
Yeah. Calf healed me with something that healed 50.
Oh, this heals 75.
How do I attack him?
You don't. Just stop it trying to attack him.
Get away from me, I'll invis cloak. How do I turn it? Do I need a wrench? I can't get it.
Oh.
Oh no.
Guys, if you pick up the golden crowbar, you're big mean.
Can I do that?
No, don't do that.
Why?
Because I said no. Bird.
Oh, but why?
Did you puppy puppy?
Ooh! Lagger McFagger! Ah! Oh my god.
That was very close. That hit.
It's dark. Why'd you heal me? Thank you.
Oh, because you were at the.
Dude, I was already
Very high.
healed. What a waste. Should have saved it for later.
Nah.
This.
I super healed myself for some reason.
Does
Hello.
this take away energy if I invis?
I don't
mean,
know.
HP.
Oh no.
Ow.
Okay, I no longer have potato chips, but I still have a lot of other food.
If you just draw him to a corner, this should be easy because all you have to do is
I'm
move
going to take
side.
I'm going to take the golden crowbar
Can I have it?
because I never got the ending.
No, because that's the bad ending.
What does it do? Like I never got the bad ending.
He's gonna do
Never.
spikes
Go on to get it.
or summon his
Can I get the bad ending?
No.
Oh, okay.
spikes.
I mean, actually, it's completely up to you.
Okay, then I'm going. To
But
get
then you would be technically killing CX.
Content, man.
it. Wait. No, I can't do it now. I literally can't. I have
With
no-
that, when you do that, you
Winning-
kill everyone else. CX, if you pick that up,
Okay, well, how do you not pick it up?
just
I'll
don't
kill-
click it.
We will give Bird full HP, and he can decide the decision to do it.
Protect the child.
The child will be protected. I think this is the last one. Then we're done. No, it's the queen pizza.
CX!
Ooh!
CX is only at high HP. This is bad.
I'm at half.
It's fine. I can heal him.
Oh, I'm at low energy.
Oh no.
Heal.
Invis. Run away. Just run away.
I need heal.
I'll take hits. I will take hits for you, Bird. The ending. Here, Bird. Here.
Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up.
Thanks.
You're at full. You're at full.
Nearly.
Right?
Tiny sliver left. You did it.
Did it.
You suck. No, freaking die.
Put it into the water.
Wait, can
Oh,
I do it?
click it.
Can I have the honors?
Yes. Oh, we can't push it that far.
Let me. Oh, where'd it go?
Hey, rescue. Go, 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 go.
Calf, let me above you. I'm scared.
Okay, go, go, go,
Oh
go.
no, I don't like to be down here. It's scary. It's
The ladder
scary.
collapsed. Where
Easy.
am I?
You did
Oh, I
it
thought he got kidnapped.
again.
Come here, what? Why are they crying? Get out of my freaking house. Alright, guys.
It's a
everyone
cat.
stand over here. Everyone stand over here next to a loyal cat. That's how we'll end the video.
Yeah, let's go, the cat. I stomp on it because I'm the dog. I am the superior
Stop,
race.
Stop. Line up. Welcome to the end of... No, more like... This is the end of our video. Peace out.